Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 3 of my BricsMax lighting kit for the Dune Atriedes helicopter. Anyway, we got the half of them hooked up and they are working, so that's great. Now, let's get the rest of them hooked up. Okay, so now we got to continue, and this is the... It just shows that I can put some stuff back on here, so let's put the landing gear for that side back on. And that just goes back there. Not sure if that's a great thing to do. And then I took off the landing gears on these, so let's just put that back on there. And do the other side. So I got to route the wires over. So just got to route these wires over and get them ready to hook up to the panel. So we got that one, and we have these other 3. So once again, they want me to I'm gonna try doing something a little different here on this one, because it's so long. Let's just fold it over first, and then try to twist these together. Because I feel that that's going to be a little bit better than all the folding I'm going to have to do later. And then we have another DO6 piece, and I didn't stick that in there. Oh, wait a second, did I? Yeah, I'm supposed to stick that in there. As far back as I can, I guess, is what it has me doing. So that's supposed to fold down and go in there. And just stick onto those. Those need to go in there. I'm trying to let's just kind of shove that down there. That one wire just doesn't want to go. Stay down. Stay down there. Okay, and the rest of them are just in there. That could be maybe there is something I can do. I can maybe tie that up there. I'll see if there is something I can do there. And in the meantime, let's get these other sticky pieces on this side, because this is a fun time. Yeah, that went on. Okay. Oh, I didn't take the paper off there. Can I get the paper off? Okay, stick on, and then paper off. Come on, man. There we go. Ah, stuck to my thumb. Can we stick to that without sticking to my thumb? No, I think we ruined it. think it's ruined. Oh no, 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 don't do that. Real pain to get this in there. Was on there and now it's not on there. Okay. It's just, it doesn't want to get that other side of the double-sided tape off. And I'll try to get that one maybe a little better. Okay, there we go. Now same thing, we have this 8 one, and we're gonna just put all the light connections in here. There. Get these ones. Okay. Oh, that didn't go in. Man, it just doesn't want to go in there. There. Now this one. And this one. And then I can should be able to just stuff those in there. Maybe I can get that underneath instead. Maybe not. No, we can't do that. Let's just get it in there and hopefully it'll just go in. Why is that one so much longer on this side? Okay, let's just put them up that way, I guess. And now, I'll plug it in again. And it should okay. Now they're all on, right? Yeah, we got those ones. We got the ones on the top. We've got both light strips going. That's awesome. Okay, so now what? It says D06. The connector cable. Oh, yeah, indeed it is. So I should be able to take that so that is supposed to go. Oh, is it supposed to go on that end? Ah, doesn't matter. I'm putting it there. It's not into the world here. Oh. Just need to get this one in because it's the connector cable, and this will make it easier because this one shouldn't have to come out again. Okay. That's in. And then that stuff, all these Wires can go down there. I'm not really sure what to do about like this one. I guess they just have it like shoved in here. Okay, we can just kind of shove it in there, I guess. Same on the other side, I suppose. Not stuck onto the sticky tape. Great, I guess. It is what it is. It's not gonna be perfect, but we got a little like wiring going on. And then I can put the landing gear back together. Okay, there's that one is on, and then we have the one I took out further back. And I should be able to just put that back down. Oh, we can put the front back on, I guess. In you go, Guido and Paul. Okay. And get the sides on again, and hopefully all that goes together okay. There we go. That's back together. And now I have to turn it upside down again. And we're gonna route this wire. So this wire is supposed to go down the side here and through a hole. So, yeah. Oops. So it goes down the side here where the light strip is. And then there's the hole back here with the through the Technic brick here. And then I'm just gonna pull on that and hopefully it just kind of stays, I suppose. And okay, that's just through there. I don't know if that's gonna stay or not. I don't know what that's gonna do. But that's what it is. Okay. We got that. Now I need to flip it around and get the back side. Yeah, I don't know what that's going to do. We've got this rear section we need to work on. We need to pop off, is it the whole thing or what is it? What do they show? Should I be opening the wings here so I can get at this easier? There we go. Let's get that opened. And this won't be awkward at all. Just having these wings just open here and try to get this stuff off here. There's that one, that piece, and take this one off. Oops. And that. So that, oh. I suppose I'm on the other side. I'm supposed to be working on the other side. Let's just take that side off as well. I think you need to do both sides. Okay. Now, we're taking A17. We got some red dot lights, and one of the red pieces here. We got one of the red dot lights. Okay, so there's that. There we go. Take the dot. Oh, we're just putting the dot. Oh, we're going to do the thing with the red light here on the back, and we're going up. So it's supposed to go in between the two, and like so. And I'm just going to do it on the other side too, while I'm here. This certainly is the same connection, so there we go. Got that on there. And now, what does it say? It's routing this just to route it just along here. Just route that there and put the pieces back on. And it's supposed to come all the way through this side. Okay, that's on there. Then put this back. Okay, like so. It's gonna stay on. Don't know. We're trying to get this last one on here. And same routing, I'm guessing. And get that over there. Kind of just get that in there. Like so. And like that. And I am going to take the grills and just put them on the back here. Once again, so don't lose them. And those are set up. So that has been part 3 of my Brixmax lighting kit build for the Atriedes Ornithopter here. And have it wings open because we've got all the lights hooked up on the front. I don't have them hooked up to the battery right now, but we've just got lights put in the back. Now I think the next part is going to be hooking everything up and getting it all connected. Anyway, if you'd like to see that, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and take it easy.